I was going to do a Waitress themed pie. So now that's what I'm going to do. Okay, step 1. Mix flour, sugar, and salt. Two and a half cups of flour. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of sugar. So I'm guessing I just pulse this now. Yummy. Now I need to add 2 sticks of butter. The butter's already sweating. Butter. Other half of the butter. Now I'm gonna add ice water. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I messed it up. Oh no. Did I mess it up? Did I just cut myself? Oh no. Oh no. Ooh. This is not gonna work. Ooh, try. It's the next day. I'm gonna finish making it. Are you trying to nonchalantly open a piece of candy? Looks like a giant sugar dough. Sugar. Now we have to go over here and make the cherry filling. Come on. I'm scared.
You're supposed to be a professional chef.
Who said I was?
Keep going.
What? 1, 2, 3, 4. The dough's done. Baker's tip. When you're flouring your surface, flour your rolling pin. Oh no. Did we make a mistake?
Why?
Because, I don't know.
It's a ball of dough. You can't really go wrong with it.
It's like, oh no. It's really pretty.
The pie plate?
Yeah. It's beautiful.
It's glass.
It's beautiful. Kind of looks like Texas. I'm also going to try to do the fancy little like, just in case you weren't seeing what I said and did. It's, but I can show you when I do it. I just realized I don't know how to do this. Can I fold it over itself? Oh no. Did you see that? We did it. We didn't do it. We did not do it. Wait.
Are you cutting through it?
Yeah.
I'll try scissors.
Yes.
It'll be fine. We'll make it work.
You go a lot. I need more cornstarch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Whoop. I feel like a toddler. 1, 2, 3. Can you give me the whisk?
Your left-handed mixing is so different from the world.
Because I'm left-handed. Return mixture to stove. I wish I was ambidextrous. Look at this.
Good
Look at that.
job.
Why
Those
did I
things.
sound like an actual toddler?
Yes, you are. Those things.
5 seconds ago you were like, you're not a tiny child, and now you're like, you're a toddler.
There's a difference between a tiny child and a toddler.
A toddler is a tiny child.
Are you sure?
Vote in the poll up there. Is a toddler a tiny child?
Or is Shane a tiny child?
The girl, she's in her bathroom and she goes, hey! Yes. I do a tie because we're in 2014 again. Have you ever been in love? Not literally, but like.
Does Justin Bieber count when you were 3?
I was literally 3 years old. Did you ever had a terrible breakup with Justin Bieber when I was 4? How old are you? 12,603. How tall are you? 2. How much do you weigh? Next question. What's your favorite song? One World by the Cheetah Girls. Something you really miss. Kurt Cobain.
I miss Kurt Cobain.
We did have done this at Halloween. We've been like, toil, toil.
Bubble, bubble, toil and drumble. Last book you read. Oh, Magic Misfits by Neil Patrick Harris. It's such a good book. You should read it. Even though it's a kid's book, it's like good for all ages.
Last song you sang.
Probably What Baking Can Do from Waitress.
What place you want to visit?
Paris, France. Disneyland Paris specifically. What food have you never eaten but would really like to try? Kobe steak. What old person things do you do? I drink tea. I enjoy like hand sewing. I enjoy recliners. I think that's old person things. Dot around the edge of the thing.
I think it means in here.
Okay. Oh, now we need to go to our lattice recipe. So we do a cross, because Jesus. These strips. Am I going to get demonetized for saying? Not like I was monetized in the first place. And then you. Take another strip, you put it there, I believe. You fold it over. Can't rush the magician. I don't know what that meant. I stretched it. See how smart I am?
You're right.
Now I'm going to fold back to. Oh, I get it. No, I don't. That looks bad.
No, it doesn't.
Okay. Yeah, we're not doing the crimp touches.
We're just gonna pinch them.
We're not bougie enough for that yet. I did kind of a good job.
It's great. It's very, like for your first pie?
That's pretty good. I am pretty talented. I'm gonna brush it with egg wash.
Okay.
Pick one. Ooh, that looks nice. What should I do it over? Should I do it over this just in case I mess up?
You need another bowl.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
What?
you just got egg whites in there.
It's only a little bit. Wait, do we have a water bottle?
No!
No, stop. Like seriously, like listen to me.
Just get a spoon.
No, Mom. No, please. No, please. I promise.
You're not emptying a water bottle.
I swear to you that I will drink it.
All right, put it in there. You did it.
I'm such a smart girl. That's good, right? Really cute, like, dramatic shot. This is like my money shot.
Okay.
Me and my mom are gonna try this. Is it hot? Mmm. That's good.
It looks like the crust is risen and everything, right?
Yeah. I mean, that looks pretty good to me.
All right.
Well, last night it was really late and we didn't want to try the pie, so I'm gonna try it now. That's really good. I like that. Bye.